Hello guys, welcome back into the channel, and for today's video the anime I'm going to talk about is a really good one and it just finished, so I thought since it's one of my favorites from this season, let's make a video. So the anime starts like the main guy is like he's a genius and he doesn't want to love anyone. He's like he wants to stay away from relationship. So one day he's like he sees a girl, like something happens with him, like there's some shit goes within his life where he deviates from the main plan of his life, and his name is like NASA. His parents gave him the name NASA, so he's like everyone teases him and all, but that's just the beginning, that's just a small part. And then the guy is like after his life gets distracted by the everything that happens, he's like one day he is like just going somewhere from work and he sees a girl and he's like, damn dude, I fucking love her, she's really cute. I've got to say that to her face. And he like starts fucking he just goes into the road he doesn't see, and like the truck kun who gives us isekai, the truck kun fucking like kills him. And I'm like it just literally, it's a really big accident, he's like bleeding and all. And then the guy just like he just literally starts walking, he like there's a fountain in his head, like a blood fountain, and he's like, I've got to tell this girl that she's fucking cute and I love her. And then he goes and he's like, and the girl also saves him from accident, like she also gets hurt, but then she goes like, Sugoku tonikaku Sugoku kawaii, he says something like that. I'm like, damn dude, that's a chat. Like he in the first episode we get a confession, and then later on the girl comes find him and they like marry each other. I'm like, yo, this is really different. So the appeal of this anime is how literally they took such a different approach from any anime, like any romance. They did the confession in first episode, they literally got married, there's a little bit of time skip, and I'm like, yo, what the hell? I'm like, yo man, this is sick. And then this starts a sweet journey of wife and husband. This shows like this shows like a first relationship, like it's a first experience for both of them. And so they are like they like try to like, how do we love each other, how do we care each other, how do we, so it's like a romantic adventure. They go for honeymoon, then there's like a little emoto of the main girl, and then there's like other friends of the male character. I'm like, and Yuzaki and Sukasa, both the couple, their interaction is so sweet. Like I fucking love this, and the comedy is really good, the wholesomeness is really good. They do like literally normal thing, they like hug each other, they just kiss each other, they like go to eat with each other, they like go to honeymoon, then they were like there are some spicy scenes and all. But it's just such a good experience for some reason, just watching something normal where they are like acting like normal people. They just want to love each other, man. They don't want to like, man, I want to confess to him. It just takes 12 episodes just for that. So it's really lovely to see that, and it's just such a good anime. The reason it got a lot of popularity this season, I think it's well deserved, and I think anyone who hasn't watched it must watch it. I've just shared that to say, I don't want to say too much about the show because it has really less stuff, but it's super entertaining for some reason. And yeah, it's definitely a must watch. If you are like sick of the stories where it takes like fucking 6 to like it takes like 2 seasons just to the character to get confession, you're gonna love this, because this is just a straight up relationship. This shows, this is what the thing that I loved about this shows what is the main part about. I always want to see something like what is the consequences after relationship. So they show that it's really wholesome, there hasn't been any fight or anything, but there are times that they get angry on each other. It's really sweet, It's a really sweet, loving story. I just love this. I will genuinely suggest it to everyone. And this is one of the good rom-coms. It's really good. Like, I won't go as far as to say this is one of the best, or maybe it is, but I think it's a really good one. You should must watch it as an anime fan. As a rom-com fan, you're gonna love this. And someone who's sick with like general romantic plot, they are gonna love this too. It's really different from what you can imagine. So please give it a shot. And that's all, I think. Yeah, that's it for the review. And comment if you want me to review any other anime or want me to do anything. And subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, take care.